I'm logged in as an employer admin, also called an end client admin in the system, and I'm the HR director for Sublime Donut Shop. I'm going to go ahead and head over to my Documents tab to see the different documents that I've uploaded to the system. And now I'm going to go into the upper right hand corner where it says Change Default Order, and that's where I can set the default order for those custom documents that are going to be sent to either independent contractors or employees. The first thing I can do is just use this button View by Worker Role, and that's going to show me the documents that I've uploaded and assigned to either employees, independent contractors, or when they go to both set of workers, I can do all worker roles. So for employees, for example, if I had all of these documents assigned to employees, and in theory they could have been assigned to independent contractors as well, this is the order I uploaded them. But now I want to change that default order. I simply hover on this yellow icon and then I can move what I want to go first. Maybe I want to do the COVID policy second. So I have this document order and I'm going to go ahead and hit the Save Order button. Now that default order has been saved for employees. I can do the same for all worker roles if I want to set that order, and then contractors. So let's say I want to do hover on the yellow and I'll move the NDA to be the first one they sign for contractors, and then I'm going to hit Save Order again. So I've hit that default document order I've saved. I'm going to go back to the dashboard now, and I want to show the other way I can also change the order of how documents appear for the workers. I'm going to go to Invite Worker. I'm going to here select their role type, just like always, in this case employee, and the default order has come down here. Now I can still move the order based on what I want, and I can always deselect ones I don't even want to send. But remember, I can always still change that default order right here, and then of course I would send invite. So there's multiple ways to change the order of documents as an employer, or also known as an end client admin.